We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets.
Hi family, happy Friday. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Alright y'all, so your girl is here with this hair mask today, and for this hair mask I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients here. I have my fenugreek powder, my soy palmetto extract, my organic coconut milk, and my organic coconut oil. So you want to get 1 tablespoon in a bowl. That is where you're going to mix all of your ingredients, and you're going to be using the tablespoon for your measurement. Alright family, so I'm starting off with my soy palmetto extract. You do not have to start in this order, okay? You can start off with any ingredient here. I'm going to be measuring 3 tablespoons of the soy palmetto extract, 3 tablespoons of the fenugreek powder, and then I'm going to add my coconut milk and also 3 tablespoons of my coconut oil. When I'm done with this, I'm going to get me a spatula. You want to get a spatula if you have one, or a spoon. That will do the job. You can get that, and all you're going to do is mix your ingredients. Alright family, so after mixing my hair mask, I realized that my hair mask was thick, and I do not like that. When the hair mask is thick, it is difficult to rinse out of the hair. If you like yours thick, that is fine. You can keep it that way. You do not have to add in another cup of the coconut milk. But I'm going to be adding in 1 more cup of the coconut milk to make my hair mask loose. So when my hair mask is loose, it is easy to wash out of the hair, especially after it has sat on the hair for 30 to 45 minutes. This is me adding the 1 cup of the coconut milk, like I said earlier. So as you all can see, the coconut milk helps the hair mask to loosen up a little bit. So I'm going to mix this, and then I'm going to move on to applying this hair mask to my daughter's hair. I've already washed and conditioned her hair, so this hair mask will be applied on a clean scalp.
That's about to let us know how to go.
Alright family, so it's time to apply this amazing hair mask onto my daughter's hair. Like I said, I've already washed and conditioned her hair. I also sectioned her hair into 4 parts. Sectioning the hair just make it easy for me to apply this hair mask, making sure I'm getting every hair strand. So after the first application, the hair felt so soft, and I want to believe it's because of the fenugreek. I don't know, but yeah, I'm thinking it's because of the fenugreek. The fenugreek is really good for your hair. All the products that I use here today, they are all amazing. Fenugreek is a great source of so many vitamins and minerals. Vitamins such as vitamin A, B, C, and K. Using fenugreek regularly can help restore your hair and treat other scalp conditions such as dandruff, dry scalp, or itchy scalp. It also helps in slowing down the ability of DHT. The soy palmetto extract here is amazing for addressing hair loss. If you are experiencing any type of hair loss, soy palmetto will help fight inflammation. Inflammation is the cause of so many scalp related issues and hair growth problems. That is why I come on here to share with you all these natural ingredients that we can use. However, I will also advise that you seek medical attention, because there could be something going on internally that needs to be addressed. So do not forsake that, okay? Go ahead and seek your doctor's attention to address some of these issues. Reducing inflammation on the scalp may also help to contribute to new hair growth. A healthy scalp is pivotal to new hair growth. If your scalp is unhealthy, growing your hair will be a challenge. Soy palmetto strengthens the hair follicle. Anything that strengthens the hair follicle is great in helping the hair become stronger and thicker. If you are loving this video so far, family, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you are not a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member. It is absolutely free. Also, comment whatever you have to say about this video in the comment section. Like I've always said here, that is going to help this channel grow. It is going to push this channel out there. So if you love this channel, go ahead and show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing. I appreciate you all so very much.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trace the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We already got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, but we're in trances, going all to different places.
Alright family, I'm almost done with the application process. This is how you can make this amazing hair mask using all natural ingredients. So all the ingredients I use here today, like my saw palmetto extract, my fenugreek powder, my coconut milk, and my coconut oil. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing, which helps with damaged hair. It helps in slowing down hair loss by penetrating deeply into the hair shaft. Coconut oil helps reduce protein loss. It helps in repairing split ends, and it also fights dandruff. Alright family, I also want to say this. If you don't have the fenugreek powder, you can use the fenugreek seeds. All you have to do is put the fenugreek seeds into some water, let it sit there for a couple of hours, and then blend it. After blending, you want to make sure to strain it because the fenugreek seeds have some shaft in it and you don't want that on your hair. So put the fenugreek seeds into some water, let it sit there for a couple of hours, blend it, and strain it. Then you can add this into your hair mask if you want to make this specific hair mask. I bought my fenugreek powder and my saw palmetto extract from on Amazon. So if you want to make things easy, you can get that from Amazon. So I'm going to leave this on her hair for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm going to rinse this out using some water. That's the end of today's video, family. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, if you aren't a member of this family, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member. It is absolutely free. Thank you all for watching today's video. I pray and hope you all have a very blessed weekend. See you all in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, but we're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.